Good morning. Good morning. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Today is March 25th. It's 8:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on our watch list, we have 6 to 8 stocks that I'd like to talk to you about this morning very briefly. BCLI, I went in long. I am uh, Actually, I am down on this account, but I'm going to hold out because I can see that on the long-term pattern, it will correct itself. So let's look at the 20-day chart. Let's look at the yearly chart, and we'll see where we're at that way. So this is the yearly chart. And just zoom out. This is where it's at right now, way below what this stock is worth. And I got somewhere in here for something. It's at 404 right now, I believe. I expect this stock to move. Maybe it'll move today. If it doesn't move today, sure enough, within the next few days, it's going to move. You can just see, for example, if you look from from here to here, you can see it takes a few days to move. It makes slow movement. It depends on the news, and there's a gap fill that needs to be filled in there. And there's also another gap fill. I saw two of them. Here's one big one, and I believe here's the other one. Without zooming in, let's see AMC. As you can see, when I alerted at around 14, I was in at a 1460. I took a small loss somewhere in here. I don't remember what it was, 1430 or so. And now it's down to 890. So I hope that you all listen. But if you didn't, I expect this stock to start moving either today, Monday, or Tuesday. It should move, but it's not going to move a lot. If we're lucky, it'll move to between 10 and 11, maybe $12 if we're lucky. If we're even luckier, it'll go up to 14, which would be awesome. Sino, I'm also looking at it. When I saw it, it was up here, and then I saw it drop. So I'm hoping that it will gain some momentum before the market starts or as the market starts. Let's see here. We'll look at GameStop and a few others. GameStop, there's a chance again, just like AMC. If GameStop picks up, AMC will move. You see where it was the high of 227 a few days ago. I'm hoping that it can jump to 200. We don't know. I'm only guessing. So far, since I've alerted this stock since last week, it's been on a downtrend, complete downtrend. So just be careful. Um, Macy's has almost met my requirements. It's very close. It's at $15.12 a share right now. I'm getting ready to purchase if it goes into the 14s. If it goes into the 14s, I will purchase into Macy's. Macy's is a good long-term stock. It's down right now, just like most of the things in the market, but it's not going to be down forever. How can I prove that to you? Let's see here. I'm going to show you this. So this is Plug. Plug, I made an investment and I'm way down. I made an investment at $39 a share. I didn't quite follow it. I just let it be because I'm writing it for the long ride. Now, although I'm down $7 a share, and if I took 1,000 shares, I'm down $7,000. But this is what we want to look at. How long did it take to get from that same level that we were just on, right, all the way up to pretty much this level, 75 right here. This is very similar to the 75. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, 7 days. So if you are invested and you see that your stock is not going the right way, don't panic. It's going to come back. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know if it's going to take this long, which is what, 2 or 3 months. However, it's going to come back. This stock is not down. If it falls below 30, then maybe I might jump out and wait to see where it drops more. However, I am destined to take some gains up in the 70s, somewhere in here, maybe even high 60s. So just be aware of that, that's going to happen in these markets. And you're not always going to be able to control it. But one of the suggestions that I always tell people is, if you don't like the way things are going, then just bail out. Bail out. I could have bailed out on these two stocks that I'm down and another two others that I'm down. However, I'm holding for the longer term because I know they're going to come back, and it's not going to take very long to get right back up to where they are. Why do I believe it's going to get back to the way things were? I'm going to show you right now. So these are some of this is the 30-year uh, bond, and you can't see it there. Hold on. Let me just get you on a yearly. Okay, so you see it's on a downtrend, but then it's hit the bottom and it's starting to go back up. The CBOE volatility index. Don't tell me that I know all of these, but I know that these are the market movers and these tell you which way the markets are going to be headed. This has also started to uptrend in the last 3 days. Although my stocks have not started to uptrend, I know that they are starting to make positive moves. You can see here another one, the DXY, the US dollar. It's on an uptrend, the 3 days. You can see it right there. That's where it made the move because it was consolidating right in here. And then this one is a 10-year US Treasury note. You can see the last 4 days it's starting to shift. And one more. This is the Dow Jones. So in the last 4 days, it's made the opposite move, and that's weird. That's weird why a few of these longer term investments that dictate where the market is going is where you can pretty much know how the market trend is going to be. So this is it for today. And just be aware that the market will shift, will not always work in your favor. However, it's going to jump right back. You can see it did it here, it went down and then went right back up, down, up, down, up. So that's going to happen. That's normal process. If you're down some money, don't worry. It will come back. Be sure, be certain that you will make returns if you leave it in there for the longer term or the interim, the middle interim, because it could be a few days or a few weeks. This is CEO Trades, David Diaz signing off, where money works for you.